let's have a quick look at the smart car, at the Brabus Ultimate 125. The rear is actually modified to be really muscly. I love the three Brabus exhaust pipes, chrome exhaust pipes. There's a Brabus logo right here, another Brabus logo. Look into the interior, right through the top of the car that is down right now. Gloss black vents right here. A Brabus side skirt with gloss black line through here. So you can see it's the Ultimate 125 by this decal. I'm not a huge fan of smart cars, but this one I would buy, at least for the smart. It's a cream leather that is stitched with a brown stitching. Even the roof is actually leather, the dashboard is leather, so this car looks absolutely amazing with the two-tone leather steering wheel right here. Let's look at the wheels. The wheels are incredible. Brabus wheels look great with the Smart. And then from here, it also looks really muscly, really nice.